The Swedish Methodist Episcopal Church was founded in 1888 at the intersection of Smith and Earl Streets. The church was built on the southeast corner. In 1907, the parsonage was built on the northeast corner. In the early days, the streets were not much more than dirt roads worn by teams of horses and buggies. The Methodist Episcopal denomination was the first to arrive in Kingsburg and the most prolific, with 4 separate churches being established between 1884 and 1911. The Swedish Methodist Episcopal Church was the second to organize. Its first pastor was the Reverend E.G. Rosendahl, the brother of the first Swede to arrive in Kingsburg, Judge F.D. Rosendahl. Of course, all services were conducted in Swedish only. In 1938, all of the Methodist Episcopal churches merged to form the United Methodist Church, and in 1944, the property was purchased by the Catholic denomination. Prior to that point, Kingsburg residents of the Catholic Church met in the home of W.B. Gonzalez for Bible study and traveled to Selma to attend Mass. Construction of the Holy Family Catholic Church was completed in 1950 at a cost of $35,000. The rectory for the pastor was acquired in 1951. Thus, the beautiful old building has served the faithful for more than 113 years.